Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. Solve each equation and check both solutions in the original equation. Part A, the absolute value of x equals 11. Part B, the absolute value of the quantity m minus 4 equals 7. Part C, the absolute value of the quantity 3n plus 6 equals 15. Now let us work through the solution step by step. The key idea is that absolute value equations split into two cases. If the absolute value of something equals a, then that something equals positive a or negative a. We apply this to each equation. For part A, the absolute value of x equals 11. Splitting gives x equals 11 or x equals negative 11. Checking, the absolute value of 11 is 11, which checks out. The absolute value of negative 11 is also 11, which checks out. Both solutions are valid. For part B, the expression inside the absolute value is m minus 4, and it equals 7. Splitting gives two equations, m minus 4 equals 7, which gives m equals 11, and m minus 4 equals negative 7, which gives m equals negative 3. Checking m equals 11. The absolute value of 11 minus 4 is the absolute value of 7, which equals 7. Check. Checking m equals negative 3, the absolute value of negative 3 minus 4 is the absolute value of negative 7, which equals 7. Check. Both solutions are confirmed. For part C, the expression 3n plus 6 is inside the absolute value, and it equals 15. Splitting gives two equations. In case 1, 3n plus 6 equals 15, so 3n equals 9, giving n equals 3. In case 2, 3n plus 6 equals negative 15, so 3n equals negative 21, giving n equals negative 7. Checking n equals 3 times 3 plus 6 equals 9 plus 6 equals 15, and the absolute value of 15 is 15. Check. Checking n equals negative 7, 3 times negative 7 plus 6 equals negative 21 plus 6 equals negative 15, and the absolute value of negative 15 is 15. Check. Both solutions are confirmed. To summarize, Part A gives x equals 11 or x equals negative 11. Part B gives m equals 11 or m equals negative 3. Part C gives n equals 3 or n equals negative 7. The universal strategy is to split the absolute value equation into two linear equations, solve each one, and verify both answers in the original equation. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.